Hey everybody, it's morning time and I need to get out of the house. It is winter time and I am cooped up and I'm sick and tired of it. So it's actually really nice out today. The snow is all melting here in Michigan. So I'm gonna go to a community thrift store, see what I can find. I don't know, even if I don't find anything, I don't care. I just need to get out. So, and then I might go for a walk because the sun is shining and the parks are not open yet, but I can see you can park by the gate and go in. So I might do that and just go for a little walk. Okay, so here we are at the jackets, and I don't know, it was on Facebook Marketplace and all those that they were having a sale, and all the jackets were on clearance, but for some reason, I don't know, I don't see any jackets on clearance, and I'm just looking through here. So here are some purses. And ooh, they got some nice purses. And I'm kind of just waiting for the lady on the other side to move. I'm secretly just pretending to shop. Have you ever done that? That's what I'm doing. And so I thought, well, I'll just take a closer look at all of these bags and see if there's something good to buy in here. And I'm just kind of shopping along. They do have some really nice purses if you need a purse. I have to say, thrift stores have really nice purses. If you're looking for a certain brand, you might not find that certain brand. But there are some quality ones, some that are made of leather, and definitely some really fun ones for sure. Oh, here's a vacation purse, Cancun. That's nice. I bet that costed something when somebody actually bought this from Cancun. And I'm just kind of nosing around. She's still standing there. I don't know what she's doing, but we'll just sit here and wait. We have to take our turn. Yes, we do. I think they have purses of every color in here. Okay, this is what I want to know. Look at that beautiful white purse. Ooh, this purse is pretty. This looks like a really nice purse, but it's a name I've never heard of before. I might have to run some comps. Don't mind my ugly band-aid, sorry. Sorry. This is a very nice purse. It looks like it's well constructed. And I'm gonna just take a look. I'm looking here at the name brand on the purse, and then I'm gonna run some comps and see what's going on. But when I did run the comps were just not there. It sells for about $25 on Amazon, so I'm really glad I looked it up. It's not a purse I'd ever want to resell, but I guess if you wanted a purse, it's a really nice one. And here I'm just checking out the other bags because they seem to have some good stuff. And I always love a good fanny pack or a nice crossover for exercising or vacation. Those work great. Or even flea markets. Crossover purses work great. This is nice. I'm just checking to see what kind of brand that is. And you can look on the hardware. Beautiful colors today. Purses of every kind. It's amazing how many purses they have. Okay, and here I'm going to look at the athletic pants. Those are always great to resell. And I'm just going to look through here. The bigger the sizes, usually the better they sell. So I'm just going to take a quick look and see what they have. And you want to look for those more higher end brands like Halara or like a Victoria's Secret sells really well too. And Victoria's Secret probably sells pretty good in any size. Now, I didn't find anything really here to buy, but I always take a look in the athletics. Ooh, they do have a lot of jewelry, and it's located here by the front where you pay. So I'm just taking a quick look at this. And yes, I'm doing a voiceover because the music was certainly loud in this store, and there was also a screaming child, and nobody enjoys that. Definitely not. They do have a lot of jewelry here. As you can see, I'm not really seeing anything too exciting that's really catching my eye. Oh, here are the jackets. You know what? I walked past this when I walked in, and I walked straight to the back. And here are all the jackets, and most of them are $1 to $3 on some of them. And so I am gonna stock up on these. Jacket vests sell amazing on eBay. They sell really well, and they usually sell pretty fast. So I'm just looking for some decent name brands. I'm leaving anything like Old Navy behind, and I'm picking anything. Also, new tags sell really well, even if it's a store like Walmart or a store like Meijer. They will still sell pretty good. They have some beautiful colors here, even some LuLaRoe. And I think if it's a jacket vest, they're gonna sell pretty good. Oh, this is cute. I might have to grab this for myself. That is cute. Look at that. I'm gonna put that in the cart. If you don't mind selling clothing, not my favorite, but I don't mind jackets. I do kind of enjoy selling jackets. Easy to ship. Okay, so here's my loot. I spent $40, and what I got is mostly these vests. I picked up almost every one of size large and up. And so like here's a Chico's, $1. Most of them are $1. A couple of them were $3, but I got a whole cart full. I think I did pretty good. I'm gonna go home and wash these. And then they have like a donation part over here. I think I've got some donations with me to get rid of, so. Okay, well, I found some goodies. I couldn't film too much. It was really busy, and honestly, I didn't get up very early because, as you can probably see in some of my video, that's just lipstick. But I hurt my finger. So I did not sleep good last night. I was in so much pain. So I put some ointment on it. Look at this. Oh, I've got a lot of laundry to do, but hey, it's gonna be exciting to list, you know, some vests. Vests are really pretty good on eBay. As long as they're either new at tags or it's a good brand. So even if it's like a Walmart brand or a Meijer brand, they sell pretty good too with tags on them. And I'm gonna get going because it's really busy.
Happy birthday!
Ooh, so it's Andy's birthday. I got a veggie plate. Look at this yummy sweet potato, green beans and apples. I had a wonderful salad. And you've got what, the porterhouse?
Yeah.
Happy 49th birthday.
Thank you.
Yay. Oh my gosh, next year you're gonna be 50.
Be half a century old.
Whoa, that's old.
Yeah.
That's so old.
Yeah.
Yay.